Hey everyone, it's Blood! And I'm back with another stuff. Today is Monday, January 3rd, and it is the morning time. It is roughly 5:35 a.m. Central Time, and I hope you guys are doing well. Wow, guys. All right, guys, coming off a long weekend. It's a new year. It's 2022, guys, and we got to start killing it right off the bat, guys, because this is going to be like 2021 turned out to be a pretty good year for me, and it probably turned out to be a pretty good year for a lot of you guys. And so we got to take that progress, carry it over into this next year, and absolutely start killing it immediately, guys. Let's start killing it immediately, guys. Swear to gosh, swear to gosh, everybody. All right. I've got a pretty good amount to talk to you guys today. I wrote some stuff down, kind of professional. We got spreadsheet ready to Omi price, guys. Bunch of topics I wanted to talk about. Bunch of stuff I wanted to talk about, guys. Wow, a ton, guys. I hope you guys are ready. We're starting off a brand new year. We're starting off a brand new week. Wow, guys, and I'm happy to be here with you guys, and I hope you guys are happy to be here as well because this is going to be insane. Seriously. I hope you guys are ready for this brand new year. I'm ready for it. I'm ready to chill with you guys, kind of go through the highs and the lows with you guys. Let's do it, everybody. Seriously, let's kill it. All right. First and foremost, let's start off with a few things. Let's just start off with this quick little update. I do have a giveaway coming up at 3,000 subscribers. I haven't been talking about it because I don't really want to just get subscribers and views just based on the fact that I'm giving away free stuff. I don't know. I've always felt weird about it, so I didn't really want to kind of just beat a dead horse, and so this time I just was really kind of keeping it low key. There's a giveaway coming up. I've got a cool item to give away. I think maybe my best friend might be giving something away, but it's just going to be all from me. Um, I'm not really accepting anything to give away because this giveaway is just truly from me to you guys. There's all sorts of other channels that are always doing like big giveaways and stuff like that. You can reach out to them, Veve Vault, Veve Vision, whatever you guys want to do. Shout out to all the homies, by the way. Let me just shout out a couple homies and just say Happy New Year to some of my homies. Let's just say Happy New Year to Cavell. Because honestly, me and Cavell, like, honestly, there aren't many other content creators that have really just been grinding VV since, like, for as long as we have. You know, the Gale's right there with us, though. Shout out to the Gale. Then we had kind of VV Vault kind of burst onto the scene after that. He kind of just took the world by storm, right? Shout out to all those. Shout out to VV Vision. Shout out to Crypto Pro. Shout out to, everybody that's reached out to me, Kyle Wilson, shout out to everybody. There's so many people that I'm probably forgetting about, but just shout out to all the homies out there. Happy to have such a good crew of people that are kind of in my kind of more direct community, people that kind of do exactly what I do, and I'm just so happy that we have some great people like that out there. We have some new people coming into, and they're killing it. People are making some really good, thoughtful content out there, guys. So NFT Flenny, who's this new guy? Whoever this new guy is, I forget what his name is now. I'm forgetting it. I'm sorry, guys. I forget what people's names are because I'm bad with names. But whoever this new dude is that's been out here killing it, he's like a real estate guy. So he's got two. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right. We got some other normal stuff to hop into today, though, guys. Let's go ahead and pop into the spreadsheet, guys. Spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any VV NFTs, you're going to want to go to the link in the description down below. You're looking for column H on the market prices tab as well as column H on the digital comics tab. There's also some portfolio calculators on here where you can type in how many of each NFT you have. It'll tell you what your portfolio is worth. I don't think I updated the portfolio calculators now. I need to make some new blanks soon. But with that being said, I did do some huge price updates to the spreadsheet, guys. So we've got a huge spreadsheet update on the comic prices today. So on the digital comics tab, you're going to notice column H has a header of 1-3, which is today's date. That's because I just updated the prices this morning. I wanted to just talk a little bit about this. For the most part, virtually all the prices are a little bit down. So this recent price trend will show you all the price movements and all that. You're going to find out that most of them are down. You're going to find a few that are up, kind of sprinkled in here. There's a couple things I wanted to point out. First and foremost, the newest comic that dropped, the Spider-Man, very rare Spider-Man, is completely, absolutely going bonkers. Shout out to anybody who bought any of these NFTs after the drop, because if you bought any of them, you're doing fantastic if you bought them at the floor prices at that point. So shout out to those people. These comics are doing fantastic. With that being said, I also wanted to say that I felt like I don't have any real evidence, or I didn't really record any data to back this up, but what I would say is that in my impression, it kind of felt like uncommons and also ultra rares got a little bit more respect today when I was updating the prices. And I don't have any evidence to back this up, but that's just kind of the impression I got when I was recording the prices. I was kind of like, oh, okay. So the uncommons are kind of going up, and some of the ultra rares were kind of getting bid up, I felt like. And so that's just my take on it, guys. But obviously, all this stuff is updated. I would very much appreciate it if you guys got some value out of it now. The next thing that needs to be updated, of course, is going to be the market prices. These are way behind at this point now. In the entire Batman Series 1 is completely off. I mean, Joe Madureira, guys, is pushing $1,000 this morning, guys. So shout out to all the holders out there of Joe Madureira. Shout out to all the holders of Risso at 9.9K. Shout out to all the holders of Becky Cloonan. This thing was at 1.4K earlier. I think it's actually at like high 1.3K right now. And of course, shout out to all the Todd McFarlane holders out there. I mean, this thing is on the spreadsheet at 3.75K, and it's $1,000 above that right now, guys. So shout out to all the holders. That's just a few short days, and you've got a huge, if you're holding. I'm holding 3 of these pieces, so I'm just up tremendously. I'm holding the Harley Quinn 13 that absolutely skyrocketed. I got that on the spreadsheet at 569. It's currently going for like 900, somewhere around there, right? We've got absolutely insane price movements. I'm a little bit scared to update the prices on the collectibles when there is so much kind of craziness going on. So that's that. We will get these prices updated at some point in the near future here, though, guys. I would very much appreciate it if you guys got some value out of any of this data, of course, and just hang tight, and I'll get the collectibles updated here in the near term. Next thing I wanted to talk about is a couple of other things. We'll go back to Facecam, and we'll talk about a couple of other topics here before we go to Reddit and wrap it up. Wanted to say, maybe a couple weeks ago, well, at this point, it may have been a couple months ago, I talked about how I was going to slowly start transitioning from comics into collectibles, which is what I have been doing over the past couple months. I have a very small portfolio of comics now. I own basically like one of every comic, and I own like 2 or 3 on a few of them, not many, just a few of them. And that ended up being a very good move for me. I want to just quickly mention that I know there's a lot of channels on YouTube that talk a lot about comics, but just want to say, I mean, I felt like me moving out of comics when I did, which was actually kind of at the peak of the comics, was a very good move. And just want to let everybody know about that. And there's so many ways to win, and I felt like that move was a very good move for me to move out of comics and into collectibles, because I was able to move into some huge pieces, Harley Quinn and the Harley Quinn 13, and a lot more Batman pieces that I needed. I think I didn't have Joe Madureira for a while, and so I was able to kind of move into some of these other huge pieces, and very happy about my choices. I've got a lot of Disney pieces. I've got a lot of, fantastic pieces. I'm happy about that decision. So that's one thing I wanted to talk about. Next thing I wanted to talk about, somebody left a comment yesterday, and they wanted me to talk about Recur passes, right? Let's talk about that really quick here. Tar Heels Rule says, what do you think about the Recur NFT pass? I bought 6 of them at $300 a piece, and the current floor price is $790. So we're looking at, a huge move to the upside. I think Veve should have done a pass type thing. Whatever. I'm not going to criticize Veve. I think Veve is doing fantastic. But what I will say, let's talk about the Recur pass. What I will say about it is that I think a lot of people that are in the Veve community are probably going to instinctively maybe kind of have a little bit of sourness towards the Recur pass, but ultimately, in the world, there can be more than one winner. So I'm happy that it's doing great. I think that Recur doing good is good for the space in general. So I'm happy for you, and I would say take some profits, be smart, and keep on killing it, man. Keep on killing it. I think like I said, I have nothing negative to say about it. I'm not. I'm just not that guy. Next thing I want to talk about is walking videos. You guys have really been enjoying the walking videos. I am so excited to give some more walking videos out. I cannot wait for it to get warm out. You guys know I live in the north. I live in Wisconsin, and it is absolutely freezing outside. I looked at this morning. It's like 7 degrees outside. Absolutely no way I can make a walking video today, most likely. So I just want you guys to know I'm excited for there to be more walking videos. I'm excited for it to be warm out. I'm excited to go to the park and go for walks and bring you guys with, and we can kind of just chat and just go through the woods and stuff, and it's going to be awesome. Maybe we'll do some interviews, some in-person interviews with just some strangers, because I'm a pretty friendly guy. I pretty much can just do that type of stuff, and people don't get weirded out by it. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. That's pretty much all I have as far as kind of topics I wanted to cover. Let's go ahead and get back to some normal stuff and just kind of shout out some homies here. Omi Price, we'll keep moving here. We got a couple homies to shout out. I mean, there's too many to shout out now, guys. Nowadays, you guys already know it, but we got OK Bathroom, we've got Vegas Snow, we've got Veve Bots, we've got Abdul Assad, we've got NFT Veve, we've got Then Alternative, we've got Lucas Smith, we've got Day Drinking with Bob, we've got Jade Dew, we've got Barras, we've got Theodros, we've got Leo, we've got B76, we've got Laximo, we've got Orderly Mayhem, we've got B76, and we're going to wrap it up right there. Shout out to all of our homies out there, though. I appreciate all you guys on any social media talking about Veve. It's fantastic. I just appreciate everybody out there that is just sharing Veve content on social media, on Reddit, whatever it may be. That's why I'm a big fan of it. Then we do have Omi's price trading at 0.00624. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your daddy, and nothing in this video is financial advice. Feels like Omi hasn't been doing a ton, maybe in the past week or so, right? Let's just go to the 7-day chart here. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Let's go to the past month here. Yeah, I mean, it's been a while since we've had any kind of movement to the upside, guys. But Omi can be your Omi. I'm not going to be your daddy, and nothing in this video is financial advice. And you guys already know that, all right? You guys already know it. All right, guys. And we pretty much got to the end of the video here. It's the first video of the year, though, so it's going to be a little bit longer. Bang, guys, bang. We got a Pokemon pack. We got Celebrations Pokemon pack. I mean, this pack could have something absolutely bonkers in it. We'll see, guys. We're going to find out together. Let's go ahead and take a peek. I always open packs from the bottom, like I'm kind of like a weirdo, but that's how I do it. All right, guys, let's take a peek. Groudon, Lugia, Cosmog, and Solgaleo, and that's all that's in these packs, guys, is really nothing. But I've got fantastic news, guys. That pack was kind of garbage. I've got good news, though. I've got a second one. Let's go ahead and open two. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the second one here. It's probably going to be garbage. I ordered these on eBay, so they're probably just full of garbage, but we'll see. Xerneas, Yveltal, Blastoise, baby! Let's go! Let's go! My neighbors are going to hate it, but let's go, guys. We just pulled an absolutely epic card, everybody. Wow. The back card is an absolute gorgeous one, too. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. We just pulled an absolutely epic card, everybody. Blastoise, we've got the absolutely epic card. This is an absolutely epic banger. Shout out to all the homies. This is an OG card. This is a 90s classic. Shout out to all the homies out there. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. That's a great way to start the year, everybody. Oh, my gosh, everybody. Wow. I'm just shocked, everybody. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, okay, everybody? Seriously, I will catch you guys in the next one. Let's start off the year strong. Let's kill it today. Be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Peace.